Kartar Singh Sarabha, born on May 24, 1896 in Ludhiana, was a revolutionary who sacrificed his life for India's freedom at just 19. After his father's death, his grandfather raised him. At 16, Kartar went to America for higher education and discovered the dire conditions of Indians there, igniting his political awareness. He joined the Hindustan Association of the Pacific Coast under Lala Hardayal and was tasked with editing the Punjabi version of Gadar Patrika. The magazine's popularity led to the formation of Gadar Party, advocating for armed rebellion against British rule. Kartar returned to India, continued his activism and was eventually arrested. On November 16, 1915, he was executed in Lahore jail. His legacy deeply influenced Bhagat Singh, who carried Kartar's photo until his death. On May 24, 1971, a fraudster impersonated former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and defrauded the State Bank of India of Rs 60 lakh in the notorious Nagarwala case. Early that morning, a call to SBI's Sansad Marg branch purportedly from P.N. Haksar, the Prime Minister's principal secretary, instructed cashier Ved Prakash Malhotra to withdraw 60 lakh rupees for a covert operation in Bangladesh. A woman posing as the Prime Minister directed Malhotra to deliver the money to Bible Bhavan. Realizing he had been duped, Malhotra reported the incident. Rustam Sohrab Nagarwala was quickly apprehended and the money recovered. Nagarwala confessed on May 27, 1971 and received a 4-year prison sentence but died of a heart attack in March 72. The case left unresolved questions about security lapses at the bank and the Prime Minister's office.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
Every year on May 24, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh celebrates the anniversary of its official name being recorded in the Gazetteer in 1956. Previously, the city was variably known as Banaras or Kashi. Kashi, an ancient city believed to rest on Lord Shiva's trident, has neither beginning nor end. The Baba Vishwanath Dham corridor has significantly boosted the city's global fame, attracting record numbers of devotees annually. In ancient times, Varanasi was also known as Avimut, Anandvan and Rudravas, as mentioned in various religious texts, including the Puranas. Bachendri Pal, born on May 24, 1954 in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand, made history on May 23, 1984 by becoming the first Indian woman and the 5th woman worldwide to conquer Mount Everest. Despite her family's initial reluctance, Bachendri's determination led her to enroll at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. In 1984, she joined an Indian expedition to Everest comprising 11 men and 5 women. Overcoming numerous challenges, Bachendri successfully reached the summit, etching her name in history. Her remarkable achievement earned her Padma Bhushan from the Government of India. On May 24, 1994, 4 terrorists were sentenced for the February 26, 1993 bombing in the World Trade Center parking lot in New York. A truck filled with explosives detonated, killing 6 and injuring around 1,000. The terrorists were linked to Pakistan and had prepared for the attack a year in advance. This precursor to the September 11, 2001 attacks, which killed about 3,000 people from 93 countries, is considered the deadliest terrorist act in history. In response, the US vowed to eliminate Al-Qaeda chief Osama bin Laden, accomplishing this on May 2, 2011, when he was killed in Pakistan.